What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been saying I'm gonna do this twist out for so long, and right now y'all better love me because it is 3:15 in the morning. And what I did was I went through and I twisted my hair up like this, and all I have in it is the main choice daily dressing butter. I forgot what it's called right now. I'll have it linked down below though. And I actually have had this in for like 2 days, so I use that as like my leave-in dressing. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt this twist out, and if it don't work tomorrow, I'm just gonna pull it up like I usually do. But I've already combed out, well, dimmed and brushed out my hair. We'll see. So I'm not adding anything but the twisting butter that I'm using today, which is Khmer Rose Almond Jai twisting butter. So I'm gonna probably do like 3 twists in this little section right here. I'm not trying to be like too crazy with like the parts, but in the front I think I'm gonna do attempt to do flat twists. So I'll show you how I do this section, finish my hair, and then come back and show you how I attempt to do the front. Okay? And then I'll wait like a day or until tomorrow morning when I wake up, because I got somewhere to go later on. And I might just blow dry it, you know, just to make sure that the roots are actually dry. You know, use a little diffuser or whatever. I'll figure it out. We gonna figure this out together because my last twist out did not work. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair with some water. Then make sure my hair is completely detangled. Also have a comb, just in case. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna use it. My hair is quite detangled. So I'm just gonna do what I do. And if I feel like I need more, I will put more. I'm not afraid of using more product for anything, because that's what it's for. It ain't there just to sit there. If it ain't gonna work, it ain't gonna work. If I like it, I'm gonna use it. And when I get to the ends, and if I feel like I need to brush my ends out, I will. Right now. And I'm gonna continue to twist till I can't twist no more. And there it is. Okay, so I finished these 3 in the back. So you guys can see those. And I'm gonna do this back piece right here. And then I'm gonna turn the camera off so that the battery doesn't die for no reason. And as you can see, when I take these out, they're quite chunky. So, I mean, you can always do it on, like, I wouldn't say blown out hair because my hair isn't blown out, but stretched hair. And I've seen it work a lot better for some people that way. I'm gonna try it this way, and if it doesn't work for me this way, I'm gonna try it on stretched out hair without water type thing. But as of right now, this is what we're doing. Alright y'all, so I finished the bag with 2-strand twists, and I started doing the front part of my hair with flat twists. I'm not that good at flat twists. I'm not that good at doing anything to the scalp, but I think I did pretty good for my first time. So I wanted to do flat twists because the last time that I tried to twist out, the front is where it kills me and I don't know what to do. So we're figuring this out this time. And slick, I got a lot of hair. So it makes it like 20 times harder. Alright y'all, so I am done with my twist out, and I think I actually did pretty good on these flat twists for my first time. Y'all, I can't braid to the scalp, I can't do nothing to the scalp. I think I told you that before, but I am going to let this dry for like a night, a day. I'm gonna, like I said before, I'm probably gonna blow dry it tomorrow, and then I'm gonna take it out. So I will do that twist out reveal tomorrow when I wake up after this is dry. So it's my hair. All right y'all, it's 4:30 in the morning. I'm out. What's up y'all? So like I said last night, I thought I was gonna have to blow dry it, but I don't. My hair is basically dry, so I'm going to take this down. Usually people keep it between like 2 and 3 days in their hair, but I have places to go, things to do, and I ain't keeping this in my head, okay? So I'm going to take this down with the Camille Rose cocoa nib and honey. It's supposed to be cacao, but you know, let them live. So I'm gonna put a little bit in my hands, on my fingertips, and just rub it through. And it smells really good. To me, it smells like pistachios. And I really like, well, it more smells like pistachio almond ice cream. I know. If you know that smell, you know exactly what I'm talking about, because it's not a normal ice cream that people, you know, go for. But that was my favorite. When I ate ice cream like that. I don't eat ice cream like that anymore because your girl's lactose. So I'm going to go ahead and start from the back and start taking it down. I don't know if I'm going to necessarily separate them too much, because I want to be able to wear this for a few days, maybe. But then again, if y'all get me to 12K, you know, the giveaway gets announced, the giveaway winner. So I'm just unraveling it the opposite way and breaking it apart where it naturally would break. And I did little smaller ones than the last time, mainly because I just wanted to be able to work in smaller sections. This is my first twist out that might work, and I'm actually kind of getting a little excited, but I'm trying not to get too excited, because if I don't like it, that bitch going in a different hairstyle anyway. Ooh, I like it. Okay, this is actually a successful twist out. So, about to lay these edges down, fluff my hair out a bit. So I'm gonna use some olive oil eco right now to lay these edges. Wow, I did a twist out. Alright, y'all, so I'm finished with this twist out. This is as good as it's gonna get. This little white area is from Camille Rose and not mixing with any Eco Stylers. So don't try the twisting butters with Eco Styler. I just had to today because it wasn't gonna work otherwise. But this is my first successful twist out. Oh my god. I'm only gonna get better. Only gonna get better.